So hey, this is Jason with Gallagher Promotional Products. Today we're going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply your die cut decals. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the area where you're applying your decal to is clean, completely dry. This is very important to the longevity of the decal. There are two different types of die cut decals. The first type is a solid piece that's screen printed on a transparent backing. Now the second type is a true die cut decal, where each letter is an individual sticker and the stickers are attached to a transfer sheet that's then attached to a backing. And when applying a screen printed die cut decal, pull the backing away from the decal. Make sure the decal's lined up straight, put the corner down first, then use the GPP squeegee to push the decal into place to prevent air bubbles from forming. When dealing with the true die cut decal, remove the backing from the decal and make sure the letters stay on the transfer paper. When placing this type of decal on the vehicle, line it up straight and use the same technique with the squeegee, making sure that each letter is firmly adhered. Starting from the corner, slowly peel away the transfer sheet using the squeegee to make sure each letter stays in place. I hope now you are ready to apply your own screen printed and true die cut decals. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.